Hi children, I am really happy to be back with this lesson. We are going to see the education of future, how the students are going to learn in the future, namely after 100 years. That we will see in this video session. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start our lesson, the fun they had. The fun they had. It is the prose, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. It is written by Isaac Asimov. The fun, the love, the share, the happiness they had in the school. That's what we are going to see in this beautiful prose. Let us see something about the author. A very famous, greatest writer for science fiction, especially for science fiction, the greatest writer. He was born on January 2nd, 1920. Just remember here, in America. Okay, he was born. Next, he was a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. Yes, really this man worked hard from the early childhood onwards. And he is the greatest, one of the best, greatest science fiction writers. What is meant by science fiction, students? அறிவியல் சார்ந்த கற்பனை கதைகள். ஓகேவா? This man, he can write about the future. He can write about the next world. The future world. How it's going to be. Namely, he takes the help of computer here, e-text. And he is going to say how the students are going to learn in the future. So, he is one of the best science fiction writer. Popular works of the greatest work of this great man. This man is a hard science fiction, popular science. And one more thing, what he wrote in say, there is another book called I. That also he has written. Very famous book it is. Very famous science fiction story. So we can say that this man is well known for science fiction story. Isaac Asimov, the writer. And while he was writing this particular, the fun they had is a small favor that he wrote it and given to his friend as a gift, as a favor for his friend he wrote it. Okay, it was republished. Again he rewrote it. And it has become world famous. The fun they had. So my dear students, remember, this is a piece of work written by Isaac Asimov, okay, to give as a gift to his friend, a favor to his friend. That's what we have as the fun they had. Now let us see the main characters of this beautiful imaginative science fiction story. Okay, the main characters in the story are, this is the Tommy and Margie. These are the main characters in the story. Who is 13 years old? Okay, Tommy is 13 years old boy and Margie is just 11 years old girl. And next we have got another character called the mother, Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is another character, small character that plays in the story. Next, who is the county inspector? The county inspector. Okay, a county inspector is a round little man with a red face and a box of tools and wires to fix the repaired mechanical teacher. Okay, a man who comes to repair the mechanical teacher, that is a robot. What here? This is what mechanical teacher. Who is the mechanical teacher refers to? It is none other than robot. It is a robot. Okay, mechanical teacher refers to replace humans in the teaching the students of 2157. My dear students, I would like to say here, now let me take you to the future year. To be precise, I would like to take you to the year 2157. Let us go to the year, some 150 years in the future life. Let me take you to the future year, that is 2157. 2157. Let us have a different experience. Okay, but we are going to have a different classroom here, a different school. Our experience is going to be entirely different now. That's what this classroom is. So these are the main characters, mainly Tommy and Margie and their mother, plus the county inspector who comes to repair the robot. plus the mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher is just not a human being, it is a machine, like a robot. Now we will see what happens as it goes on. See, Margie and Tommy. Margie and Tommy. As I told you, he is 13 years old boy. 13 years old boy and she just 11 years old girl. The story begins like this. Okay, as I told you, it's a future science fiction story. The story begins where Margie takes the book, okay, of an old book and started to read it. Margie takes the book and started to read the book, where she is asking certain question to Tommy. That's what these two characters, the whole story moves around with these two. That is Tommy and Margie. Margie, when she found a book that was printed, okay, though the book is some 150 years old, there all the pages were printed. Okay, it is yellow in color, wrinkled, it is surungi, wrinkled. Still, he is asking to the boy Tommy, what is this? Where did you find it? I find it in my attic. I find it in the attic. So, what is the character? How you can call Margie? Hated her classroom. Yes, because she started to hate the classroom. Why? Because we are living in the future. That is in 2157. Some 150 years in the future life we are going to. There is no classroom as we have today. There is no classroom. She hated. She does not like a classroom. She does not like education. Because repeated test after test. Those days, if you write a test, just enough to insert it in a particular slot on the mechanical machine. In a fraction of time, in a given time, the marks comes out. So she is very fed off writing test. Next, test and homework inserted in a worst performance. Her performance very poor. Okay, well, I am talking about the character of Margie. She dislikes school. She does not like the education of 2157 because test after test. Next, the test and homework are inserted in a worst performance. Their performance in test as well as in homework is very poor. And mother believed in regular schools. She called the county inspector to teach her. Yes. Now something happened to the mechanical machine where she used to attend the class. Something happened. So, the mother called a county inspector. You know who is a county inspector? A man who comes to repair the mechanical machine. Okay, her performance is very poor. Both in test as well as in homework, she is very poor. Now, what happens here? Next, we will see. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page hidden 17th May 2157. After just having a outline or small hint about the character of Margie, let us start. She found the book, to be precise, on 17th May 2157. She found the book on 2157. Just imagine, it's some 150 years in the future. She found a book. So she started to read a particular book. Now what happens here after finding the book? After finding the book, what she is going to do here? Listen. Today, Tommy found a real book. It was very, very old book. The book is very, very old. See the book. It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. Okay, wrinkled. The pages are wrinkled. Everything is printed. See, everything is printed here. So this is the nature of the book in, okay, but where she found it on 2157. So the nature of the book is it is yellow in color. Okay, yellow in color. Next, the pages are wrinkled. Okay, the pages wrinkled. And one more thing, here she found everything printed. Okay, the letters are printed in the real book. This is what we found it. Next, the mechanical teacher had been giving a test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. This is what A robot is teaching to her. Where is the robot? Where is the classroom for her? Where is the classroom? It is next to her, next to the room. This is a robot. Okay, this is a robot that's teaching here. There is no human teacher here. A robot is just teaching. She is very poor in geography because test after test, homework, everything she has, but she is doing very worse manner, and she had been doing worse and worse. So she does not like the robot teacher, the mechanical teacher, because her poor performance. Next, the mechanical teacher. What is the shape of the mechanical teacher? The physical appearance of the mechanical teacher, or what we can call it as the robot. The robot. Mechanical teacher is a robot. A large, black, ugly with a big screen where the lessons scroll and the questions were shown. See, this is the future school, the future education that the students are going to learn. Okay, ma'am. This is the robot. This is the robot. See here, the mechanical teacher. See the appearance of this, the physical appearance. Large, black and ugly with a big screen. Okay, with a big screen where the lessons scroll and the question paper shown. This is a place. Okay, this is a place where the lessons, okay, and question answers, questions, everything comes here. Next, didn't bother much about the child's interest but programmed to fit the mind of the kids to teach. The machine does not bother because it has got no feelings. No feelings. It is keep on teaching. Doesn't bother about students' performance, their feelings, never understands it. But he goes on teaching. Everything is programmed inside. Okay, to fit the mind of the kids and teachers. Next, gives test and homework to be done in a punch code and evaluated regularly. See, today, when teachers ask you to do your homework, you do it and come here and do it. Okay, you come here and just to show to the teacher. But there will be days in the future, a test and homework to be done in punch code and evaluated regularly. Yes, the test, the homework, everything will be, you have to do it daily and come and insert it in a separate, separate places where you have to insert it in the mechanical teacher. That's the thing that we are going to experience in those years. Next, geared up a little quick and all the sudden, but fixed to 10 years level. But why her mother called a county inspector to do repair? Something went wrong with the robot. Something went on with the mechanical teacher. For that only, the mother, Margie's mother, called a county inspector just to repair it. Now, here she thinks that the man will take the mechanical machine away from home. He may take 2-3 days to repair it. But what happens, the man comes and repairs it there itself. Within hours, he repairs and says, it is not fault with your daughter, but it is with the fault with the mechanical machine. It is a mechanical machine. Now, the geographical part is geared up. It is going very fast. Now I have just slowed down. Now I have slowed down the program, everything. Now it will be good for your child to learn. So, the county inspector wishes all the best. Okay, all the best and goes away. And instructor, the mother saying that it is not fault of your child, but it is the fault with the machine. So this is the machine that she is learning lesson from. Now, the character of the physical appearance of the county inspector. Who is that county inspector? He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. This is what we will see. See, for example, something happens to your house, AC, or it can be a refrigerator, something happens. So we will call a man to repair it. That man comes with a suitcase. He comes with his compartment, his suitcase, he will carry something and come. What are things will be inside? It can be a whole box tools. It can be the tools and dials and the wire. Everything will carry. Same way, this man also whom we call it as a county inspector. Who is a county inspector here? This is the man with a red face, carrying a suitcase, a toolbox to repair the mechanical teacher. So we have seen here the character of Tommy, Margie, and the real book. The real book. How is the real book? The structure of the real book, the images and everything we have seen. Next, who is a county inspector and who is a mechanical teacher? Why Margie doesn't like to go to school? Why she dislikes studies? Everything we have seen in this video session. Next video session, we will come to the conclusion of this particular lesson. Thank you.